If the 2020 governor's election is a referendum on handling the COVID pandemic, Roy Cooper is ready to stand behind his work of the last 8 months.
At every single point, I've used science and data to make the tough decisions. And there is no question that our strong actions early and the persistence of most North Carolinians has saved lives.
The one thing he hasn't been able to get done in his first term will be a priority for him if he gets a second 4 years.
A lot of people, when they lost jobs, they also lost their health insurance. So one of the things that we could do to help these people is to expand Medicaid. We have a way to get health care to construction workers, to early childhood educators by expanding Medicaid. 39 other states have done it, including Indiana when Mike Pence was governor.
Although Republicans have raised teacher pay in all of their budgets while he's been governor, Cooper says it isn't enough, so he's vetoed several of them in an effort to get more for teachers.
We're asking them to do more than ever in the middle of this pandemic. We're asking them to learn how to do remote learning. We're asking them to go into schools to help teach our children in person, and many of them are doing it right now. We have to support them.
And he says that means not just higher pay, but newer, better schools, which is part of a plan he has to work on the state's infrastructure, including more broadband internet across the state.
We know that closing that digital divide is more important than ever, not only because remote learning, which we need, but also telemedicine and for our small businesses. I have proposed a $250 million bond that would go along with the school construction bond because that's part of our infrastructure.
Cooper is hoping that he can have a Democratic legislature to help him enact those ideas in a way that he thinks works, something he hasn't had in his first 4 years. Bob Buckley, Fox 8 News.